Combine condensed milk with Nescafé, the result will surprise you. In a large bowl, start by adding a 395 grams box of condensed milk. Then add 5 teaspoons of instant coffee. Mix well until the coffee is fully dissolved and set aside. Once you've done that, in a food processor, add 80 grams of cornstarch biscuits and crush them well until crumbly. Next, in a medium bowl, add 1 ripe banana chopped into round slices and mash it until smooth. This is the right consistency. Pour this mashed banana in the coffee mixture and mix until incorporated. Finally, add the biscuit crumbs and keep mixing until combined. When that happens, transfer all this mixture to a skillet over medium-low heat and stir until thickened. Then add 40 grams of roasted skinless peanuts and stir for another minute. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right point. Transfer all this mixture to a sheet of non-stick baking paper. Shape it into a rectangle. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Wrap it in the sheet, take it to the fridge, and let it chill for at least 2 hours. After this indicated time, slice it into smaller pieces, just like this. That recipe is ready. You may now get 1 slice and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comment section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.